If you want to know how I made this beautiful flower, perfect addition for your balloon bouquet, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello, welcome back to FemMNY, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to this channel, FemMNY. We're glad to have you here. Thank you for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making this beautiful flower that you can see in front of me. I will show you how to make this. This is perfect addition for your balloon bouquet, just like that one. We'll be only using 260 balloon, 5 inches balloon, and balloon glue dots. Alright, with that said, let's inflate our 260 balloon. So before you inflate, make sure you stretch, and then we'll inflate. Leaving this much on the very tip. Tie the end, squeeze. So remember, you want to have at least over a fist at the end of your 260 balloon. So before we make a twist, you make sure you squeeze, okay? So after you squeeze your balloon, you want to make a pinch and then twist. Okay, so about 3 fingers, and then you fold this. You want to make sure it's a fist, okay? Right there. So about a fist. Okay, see the difference? Okay, you want to fold it like this, put this in the center. You want to hold this and then tie it right here. And then once you're done, tie it right here. Just like that. So as you can see, it's like that. I'm gonna show this to you guys up close. So now it's like this. So now you will make 4 more of this. Squeeze, pinch, twist. Squeeze, pinch, twist. Squeeze, pinch, and twist. So never let go with this, okay? Because it will unwind. Pinch and twist. You have a total of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put this inside. Feed this. You feed this through. Just like that. I feed it here in the center 2 times. One, 2. So now you'll make 4 of this around the side. So just go like that, pinch, and then twist. Just enough where it can hold here. Make a loop. Feed it in the center. I'll do it twice. Another one. Feed it in the center. One. 2. If it unwind like that, it's okay. Pinch it again. And twist. Okay. Squeeze. Pinch and twist. Feed it here. last one. Pinch, twist. Just like that. Okay, so now you'll cut the tip. I will just feed it right here. And tie both ends. And then cut this off. Just like that. So now you need your latex balloon, 5 inches latex balloon. We'll inflate this. Tie this. Once you tie it like that, push this in. Hold it right here, the other side. So now you need your 260 balloon. There you go. And we'll put it right on here. So this time you need your balloon glue dots. And then put this right on the center. Just like that. Nice, simple and easy, and it's beautiful. As I said, this is a perfect addition or background to your balloon bouquet. And there you go, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. It will help our channel grow. Once again, this is FemMMY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. By the way, if you have any questions, suggestion, or comment, please leave it in the comment section down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.